Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our ZL54C Smartwatch, a simple yet functional Bluetooth call smartwatch. Okay, and as you can see here, we downloaded previously on our video, we downloaded a new watch faces for this smartwatch. So it looks cool as you can see here. Okay, so this time we are going to check on the message notifications as well as the Bluetooth call support for the smartwatch. We'll see if the this feature works or not. Okay, so we are going to demo a Bluetooth call as well as the message notification. As you can see here, so it features the message notification. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo for the Bluetooth call and message notifications, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see here, we are paired with our support app, the Daffit app. So let's check on the notifications here. Okay, is it activated? So previously when we installed the application, we already activated the call notification, the message notification, as well as the app notification. So everything is set as you can see here. Okay, so let's see if there are options for the calls. Okay, none here, except on this section we do have a favorite contacts. Okay, we'll add it later on. Okay, so let's start. Let's check. So we have here our other smartphone. So let's see. Let's go to the WhatsApp application and see if we can receive a message notification here. Okay, so let's try. Hello, ZL54C Smartwatch. As you remember, we already activated our app notification. So let's see if this thing works. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, we received the message. Nice. Okay, it has its own space here. Okay, with a gray background. So you have an option to delete the message or not. Again, you can see it here. Let's have another one. Hello again. Okay, does it work? Okay, so it works. See, as you can see, we have an icon here. Tap to see the message. Okay, so let's try to call from the WhatsApp. We receive a call notification. We'll see about that. So it's ringing, but as you can see here, it's not. Okay, there's no call on our smartwatch. What if we end this? We'll see. Okay, as expected, we'll see missed voice call. So a notification that someone called on your WhatsApp application. Okay, so we have it here. So the application notification works. Okay, so our demo app is WhatsApp. Let's try with the SMS. Okay, so let's have it here. Hello, SMS notifications. Okay, let's send. Did we receive one? Okay, so the message sent. Okay, we felt a vibration on our smartwatch and we have it here. Okay, although the screen did not activate, maybe there's just a delay, but we have the message here. Okay, another SMS sent. Okay, sent, and we have so another SMS. So how many messages can it store? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, as you can see, you can store a lot of information or notification on our smartwatch, on our ZL54C smartwatch. So far it works. No issues with the SMS as well as the app notifications. Okay, let's try to have a phone call. Okay, so let's call this number. It's now dialing. Okay, as you can see here, incoming calls. So you have an option here to adjust the sound, the volume. You can answer or end the call. Okay, so end. Okay, so far it works here. Let's see our call logs here. Phone call, recent call. Okay, we have a date here and time. We have the dial pad. Okay, let's try 0. Okay, let's try this one. 0919809294. Okay, we're calling. Let's see if we'll receive the call here. Okay, okay. Again, we see wrong number. I guess this one. Yes. Dial pad 09696158 Let's try. Okay, it's now calling. We'll see. Okay, as you can see here, so it works for the dial pad. Okay, and the call. Okay, call ended. Next, for the contacts, we don't have a sync contacts, so let's add one. Favorites, add this one. We'll add this one, then done. Okay, done. So it is now uploading. Please sync contacts in app. Okay, already done. Let's go back. Dial pad contacts. Okay, we have it here now. Okay, so let's have another call. Okay, then we will answer the call here. Okay, it's now calling, as you can see here. So we'll answer it here and see if it works. Hello, this is a call. It works. Okay, it works. Bye. Okay, so the Bluetooth call works for the ZL54C Smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the recent calls, the dial pads, it also works, the contacts, it works, as well as the message, SMS, and app notification works for the smartwatch. Okay, so no issues at all. Smooth operation of the message notification as well as the Bluetooth call. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.